Easy to make Valentine's Day miniature canvas card. Take a canvas and paint it with your favorite color. With pen or marker, start drawing a branch. Make double outlining. Color the inner layer of the tree branch. Draw small heart-shaped leaves. Make hearts with white pen. Make a border with a marker. Decorate the border with beautiful designs. Give final touch to the painting. Final look of the painting. If you want to make this miniature display easel, so click on the link in the description box given below. If you like the video, so please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.